For this recipe, use poblano peppers. Go ahead and put it in a pan and cook it evenly on all sides. In the meantime, go ahead and separate your egg whites. We're going to mix this up first, that way the coating on the poblanos are going to be nice and light. Go ahead and mix your egg whites. You're going to see that it's going to become nice and airy and fluffy. Once that's done, go ahead and add your egg yolks. Once you're done cooking the peppers, go ahead and place them in a bag. Let them sweat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, take them out and go ahead and start the peeling process. You can choose to peel it with your hands like I did, or use the end of a knife. Next, cut the middle of the pepper and go ahead and scoop the seeds out. You can scoop it with your hand or a spoon. Dip your pepper in the flour and then the egg. Continue this process and go ahead and put it in the oil. Go ahead and put some oil in the pan and set it to medium. Once you're done cooking the poblano pepper, go ahead and start your filling process. I went ahead and used queso fresco and some shredded chicken. For the next pepper, I went ahead and used some shredded pork that I had left over. Go ahead and top it off with some mozzarella. For the red sauce, go ahead and boil your tomatoes. Add half an onion to the blender, 3 cloves of garlic, some hot water, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, a little bit of oregano, and your boiled tomatoes. The next is optional if you like spicy, but I went ahead and added 1 jalapeno. Go ahead and set the oven to broil. Once the cheese is melted, go ahead and take it out. Go ahead and prepare your plate with refried beans and rice. And there you have it, the chile poblano. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting many more videos. Thanks for watching.